And I've seen a lot of people na nabago ang buhay because of IMG. Bagay na magagawa ng IMG sa buhay mo. So, magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga believers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan doon, Gigi, Sunga. Alright, so after yesterday and today, so ngayon lang tayo nag-vlog. Yung mga napanood nyo po ay recorded po yan. So, ito po ay fresh. Because kapon nag-vlog tayo ng nag-coach tayo, 4 na kinoach natin. So hating gabi na talaga tayo umuwi. So I was so tired yesterday, pero salamat sa mga nagpa-coach sa akin. 4 po sila, thank you very much. And nagpunta rin tayo ng IMG Makati, maraming salamat. And kanina nag-coach tayo from Robinsons, Pampanga, from Cavite pa, kinoach natin. And this Saturday, nasa ano po tayo, tawag dito, SM North. I-coach natin isa from Quezon Province pa. And yung isa from Novaliches, so dalawa. So matatapos tayo 3:30. So ayoko na masyado kumuha ng marami, napapagod si Doc G. Pero kung 1 hour lang naman, and nandun ka, very urgent ang kailangan mo, at least di na naman ako pupunta Makati. So kaya pa siguro isa. So at least 3 coaching. So for 2 hours. So yan, 2 hours. Sige, pwede. Message mo lang ako, 0939-5254-311. Or if you want to advertise your business, message mo po ako. Alright, so, and then, May 12, pwede ako sa Mother's Day, pero lunch kami. Sa hapon, pwede pa po ako. Message lang kayo. Sa Robinsons, Pampanga naman tayo magkikita. Okay, 2 bagay na magagawa ng IMG sa buhay mo. By the way, congratulations to me, Marketing Director na po ako ng IMG. Palakpak. Right, salamat, IMG, Ma'am Jen, and Ma'am Jen Quinto, and Ma'am Lord Bautista. Ano ba yung 2 bagay na magagawa ng IMG? At bakit mo ba siya ina-advertise? Right? Sa dami po nang nagpapa-advertise sa aking YouTube channel, ang dami kumakausap sa akin, I'm screening them. Ini-screen ko talaga. Hindi po pwede kasi na i-advertise ko, hindi ako sigurado. And IMG, alam niyo, matagal ako minamessage dati ni Ma'am Lore. Hindi ko siya masyadong pinapansin that time. Pero sabi ko, sige, pagbigyan natin si Ma'am Lore. Very persistent kasi siya. So, what I did, una pong ginawa ko sa IMG, I attended their convention sa SMX. So, I met the CEO, Brother Bo was there, Sir Rex Mendoza was there, the heads of the IMG or International Marketing Group were there. So, nakausap ko sila, let's go pa kami. And I also visited their office sa Hong Kong, then kahapon sa IMG Makati. So, nakita ko yung track record, nakita ko yung achievement. And I've seen a lot of people na nabago ang buhay because of IMG. Yun ang gusto ko, yung mission nila nagagawa. Their mission is to have at least, their vision actually, to educate 1 million Filipino families. To educate. Okay? To educate. Meaning to say, to change their lives. That's the meaning of education Sabi ko nga, when I'm teaching, I am a teacher, I'm a principal and dean of college of education. Sabi ko sa mga estudyante ko, the indicator na natuto ang tao is if your life, or if there is a change in your life, kung nabago yung routine mo, nabago ugali mo, that's education. And that's the purpose, that's the objective, and that's the why of IMG. That is to change your life. To educate people. Alright? So, kaya ko siya in-endorse. Kaya, after knowing their mission, I was able to have a short conversation with the CEO. So, doon ko nakita ko, sige, pwede na. Kasi ang daming tao, nakita ko yung change from DH, now they are earning money. From ordinary people, now they are educated, they are teaching people. Di ba? Kahapon, I was there in IMG Makati. Nakita ko yung seminar, nakita ko yung process. Nag-meet and greet ako sa lahat ng mga tao na yung mga under ng team ko, I can change project team. So, I was able to meet them. They were testifying na paano na change yung lives nila. So, sabi ko, okay, endorse natin. Kaya ini-endorse ko yung IMG. Ako, personal. I'm a member of IMG and meron po ako kumuha ko ng IMG Kaiser nila. Okay? Health card. Don't you like my health card? I have my health card. Pero wag nang banggitin ng company. But that's is that's being sponsored by my school. What if kung mag-resign ako or mag-early retirement ako because I'm planning to retire, not today, not now, not this year. Siyempre may edad na rin tayo eh. I mean, tsaka may iba tayong gustong gawin. So, mawawala na sa akin yung health card. So, I decided to get my own. Kasi pagdating ng araw po, ngayon lang na-realize ko napakalaga ng health card sa atin. Like in my case, ang dami kong check-up. Lalo ngayon, napunta tayo lagi sa Clark Medical City. And last 2 years ago, na-operahan tayo sa bato sa abdo, yeah. Wala nang abdo si Doc. Yun, I use my card. So, marami siyang advantage. So, nakita ko, pwede. I want to get one. Kasi alam niyo po, pagdating ng araw, pag tayo may edad na, lalo yung mga nagtrabaho, OFW, nandito sa Pilipinas, huwag naman dumating sa point na buhay natin na pag may sakit tayo, naghihintay tayo ng bigay ng mga kamag-anak natin para makapagpa-check up tayo. O pipila tayo kay Mayor, kay Gov, para lang maoperahan tayo. Di ba? Huwag naman dumating saan ang point na gano'n. Because we work so hard for how many years? Di ba? So, sabi ko, hindi. Ayoko mangyari yun sa buhay ko. So, kumuha ko ng card, Kaiser. You can get one. Alright? Ako, it's a suggestion. It's a recommendation. You get IMG Kaiser. Okay? Ngayon, hindi mo siya nare-realize ngayon eh. Dok, hindi ko kailangan. May savings naman ako eh. Nadidiplit ang savings mo eh. Nadidiplit ang pera natin. Nababawasan, di ba? So, maganda. Meron ka talaga nakalaan para sa health card mo. Yung ibang investment mo, yung ibang pera mo na naiipon for your retirement, sa ibang bagay yon. Yung health mo, at least, isa sa mga aspect na dapat natin pinagkukunan ng pansin, that's your health card. So, isa siya sa napakalaga na dapat meron tayo. Alright? Get it. Okay? Magkano lang yan? Yung bata pa ako. It's okay, it's fine. Mas mura nga yung premium pagka bata ka eh, di ba? So, ako, na talaga to very, open na ako, sinasabi ko talaga sa inyo, you get Kaiser. At, eto na, mag-member ka na sa IMG or get investment. Dok, di bakit? All of a sudden, talagang may isang, lagi naman ako nagbibideo ng IMG, di ba? Kaya lang, na-realize ko kahapon, nung nakita ko yung dami, yung proseso, talagang I need to inform the public. I need to inform my Gilivers. Kasi ang dami Gilivers po doon. Ang dami ko nakita yung Gilivers doon. Okay? So, dalawang bagay na nagagawa ng IMG sa buhay mo. Number 1, it helps you to build yourself. Build yourself muna. Okay? Sarili mo muna. Kailangan strong ka muna. Dapat, ka muna? Capable ka muna. Dapat educated ka muna. That's building yourself. And IMG can help you to build yourself. Yung sarili mo muna. I-educate mo muna. Diba? So, they are doing series of seminars. Hindi ka nga nila sasabihan na, mag-invest ka na, bumili ka na. No. No. Hindi yun yung una nilang target. Ang una nilang target, that is to educate people. Tuturuan ka muna nila. And remember, sabi nga, di ba, education is power. Binanggit ko, di ba? So, dapat ma-educate tayo. Okay? And pag nag-educate ka na, you start your financial journey, you start your financial success. Right? So that you will become capable. Capable to sustain your needs and capable to help others. That's building yourself first. Because pag na-build mo yung sarili mo, naayos mo yung sarili mo, madali ka nang tumulong. Diba? Paano natin matutulungan yung ibang tao kung ikaw nga walang savings? Paano matutulungan ang family mo, friends mo, wala kang emergency funds? Paano matutulungan yung ibang tao, pag nagkasakit ka, wala kang pampacheck up? Diba? So you have to do that first. Build yourself first. Okay? At ayun yung ginagawa ng IMG sa buhay ng bawat isa. Kaya nakita mo lahat ng tao doon, nasaya nila eh. Masaya. Kasi they are so secured. Alam nila at any given time, they have money. Kumuha sila ng trabaho. Meron silang investment. Di ba? Pag may nagkasal sa pamilya nila, meron silang kukuhanin. And that's security. And that's building yourself. Nakakaya na, alam nyo, nakakaya. Ang tagal nating nag-work, tapos wala tayong pera. Di ba? Sabi ko nga, stop saving your money. Again and again, I will repeat it. Stop saving your money. You direct it to investment. Kanina, tatlo ang kinotes ko sa Robinsons, Pampanga. Sa OFW, sabi ko sa kanya, huwag ka na mag-save, sir. Direct mo na sa investment. Di ba? Kasi yung savings nawawala. Paulit-ulit. Sasabihin ko sa inyo, nawawala. Alright? So, build yourself. That's the first role na gagawin ng IMG. Alright? Second, it helps you to build your wealth. Build your wealth. Alright? Don't keep you build yourself, meron kang, ito, nagawa mo na, meron kang healthcare, protection, wala ka ng utang, may emergency funds, may investment, ituturo lahat ng IMG yan. And second, it can help you to build your wealth, okay? Build your wealth by sharing your experience to other people, to your friends, relatives, office mates. Doki, yun, magre-recruit ba ako? I don't want to say the word recruit. I want to say the word educate other people. You just have to pass it on. Natuto ka, ipasa mo. Parang ganito ginagawa ko. Natutunan ko lahat ng experience ko and everything for 43 years. And now, I'm passing it on. Kaya ako nagkaroon ng YouTube channel eh. You know the very purpose of my YouTube channel? What is the purpose? It's not to advertise business first. Then, it's not to coach people. Ang target ko noon, alam nyo kung ano, yung sinasabi ko po sa seminar, gusto kong ma-share sa ibang tao. Gusto kong ipasa yung knowledge na nabasa ko, na experience ko. That's my purpose. It's very important. So you just have to pass it on. Tinuruan ka ng IMG, natuto kang mag-save, mag-invest, magkaroon ng protection, health card, mag-budget, palaga ng pera, palaga ng family and everything. Ngayon, isi-share mo lang. And you have that financial reward. I call it financial reward. Okay? Then you will earn money. Alright? So, choice mo naman yon. Pwedeng hindi, sa sarili mo lang, you are growing, then do your life. Diba? Live. Live the life you want. Pero if you want, on the side, you're also earning money, you can share your experience to other people. Diba? Madali naman, magkwentuhan kayo. O, meron ka na bang investment? May health card ka na ba? O, invite mo lang naman sa invite mo lang sila sa isang IMG office. O, dito tayo, sa Makati. Kwentuhan, di ba? Instead of going to the mall na maghapon, di yung 2 hours mo, lagay mo sa, di ba? You share it with your friends, di ba? Kasi, sayang kasi yung blessing na natanggap mo ba't hindi mo share? Di ba? Sayang kasi That's why I'm using my YouTube channel to share it. Hindi lang naman IMG, pag nakita ko yung business na nakakatulong sa ibang tao, I'm sharing it. Nakita ko yung overrun, nakita ko yung mga business sa mga kababayan natin, maliliit na business, advertise. Share it. May natutunan akong libro, nakahamon sa akin, naka-challenge, sharing it. It's just like that. Okay? And you will be earning money. That's your reward for helping other people to be educated also. Alright? So, yan ang nagagawa ng IMG sa buhay natin. Build your wealth, build yourself first, then build your wealth. Alright? So, Doc G, paano? I want to start. Okay, kukunin kita kay Ma'am Lord Bautista. Tawagan mo ako 0939-5254-311. And don't forget, your IMG Kaiser, that's a requirement. Okay? Doc G, nag-advertise sila and everything. Yeah. Hindi ko naman inaano yun hindi ko naman tinatanggi. At I am recommending it, actually, recommended, highly recommended by Doc G. Alright? Clear? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin. Kahit OFW, pwede kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Para sama-sama tayong mabago tumula sa ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!